It's cold and raining, so we will be stuck doing inside jobs. First one is doing a bit of filling around these white strengthening window pieces. I decided I'm going to paint them. Not much point starting the big sanding cleanup until I finish sanding those. And I will remove the last of the masking and the film. Well, that looks much better. I think we've done the backfill well. And there's the centre bit, all nicely black. There we are, it's come off this side quite nicely. A little bit of sanding, a bit more spot filling. Then some undercoat, I think. Right, second fill, and I've decided to paint the wooden, currently varnished plank white. Thus the undercoat has been applied, and nice new side windows. I'll make a start on the big clean. A long way to go, but another top coat on here after a sand. Hopefully this one won't get damaged. So that bench top's had a second top coat. Gonna try and get this few wee bits here that the masking didn't quite allow me to get. So it's up on the beam, and as you can see, the sunset. Well, it may look sunny here, but we're still getting showers through from the sou'wester, so I don't think we'll be painting or undercoating the side of the mast today. Well, this time hopefully we've finished on here and there. So it's the first time it's actually been warm in the cabin for about 2 months. We'll put some top coat on around the windows on the inside. We're off to sand and hopefully get some paint on the mast, so it's not supposed to rain today. Well, we're going to sand this side and hopefully get primer on, and then after lunch undercoat on the other side. It's now midday and it's all sanded, so I'm going to pop the epoxy primer on before I have lunch. We've had lunch. It's now got high cloud. There's supposed to be a front coming through from the north with a gale tonight or tomorrow, but I think we can get the undercoat on the mast. We've now got both sides painted and epoxy primed. Right, we've done one side, so we mixed up more paint for the other side, using a foam roller mostly. Well, that looks a weeny bit better. Oh, we're just about to roll the mast to paint the other side, so we've got 2 coats of undercoat on this side. Well, it's I don't know, 4:30. Feeling quite damp. Wind's died, sun is barely visible. 2 coats of paint, all sides, and it looks a lot better than it did. So sand and then 2 top coats at some stage when the weather is cooperative. Right, we need to unload all the stuff. We've shaken out the drop cloths and sweep it up, pop it in the rubbish. I think the vacuum cleaner bag is about as full as it's going to get. We've got steady light rain and forecast of an easterly gale as well. Let's see how the mast survived. I'm sure it's all right. Yep, it's all good. Paint obviously went off properly. Granddad's arrived. I think it's probably inside a boat cleaning day. Put another coat of paint on the window surrounds. Alright, well, the big clean-up, Granddad's vacuuming. I'm going to start washing because there is dust and stuff everywhere. It's cold, easterly starting to blow, and it's persistently raining. Well, we have a lake. Right, all that's been washed. The shelf's been either washed or dusted, and that leaves these two here. Right, everything's been washed and culled, walls wiped in the galley. Look, you can see some table now.
Long time since that happened.
Okay, all looking much cleaner. We have obviously blocked a drain.